Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically translate pages in Google Chrome. This feature allows Chrome to translate websites written in foreign languages automatically, making it easier to browse content from around the world. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Languages. You'll now see the Language Settings page. Look for the option called Use Google Translate. Make sure this option is turned on. This allows Chrome to offer translations when you visit pages written in languages you don't understand. Next, click Add Languages if you want to include additional languages in your preferences. Choose the languages you use and click Add. Now visit a website that is written in a different language. When Chrome detects the foreign language, a translation prompt will appear near the address bar. Click Translate. The page will be instantly translated into your preferred language. To make translation automatic for that language, click the three-dot menu in the translation pop-up. Then select Always Translate Pages in this language. From now on, Chrome will automatically translate pages written in that language whenever you visit them. If you ever want to stop automatic translations, open the translation settings again and remove the language from the Always Translate list. And that's it. You've successfully enabled automatic page translation in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.